1955 Ford Ranch Wagon Pro Street, Pro Built, listed for $49,000, located in Claremont. This wagon is in good condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a black paint color. The odometer shows 2 miles. This 1955 Ford Ranch Wagon was professionally built and purchased from the original owner. Hagerty Appraisal describes it as an exceptional, professionally built vehicle with careful planning in every detail. It comes with a 4-inch binder full of receipts and photos. Under the hood, it has an SVO Ford crate motor with 515 cubic inches paired with a C6 transmission. The rear end is a 9-inch setup with a 4-link narrowed locker and subframe. It also has front rack and pinion power steering, dropped spindles, 4-wheel power disc brakes, and air suspension. The body has been finished in PPG black with stretched rear wheel openings. Inside, it features a roll and pleated interior, a power front bench seat, an original converted AM/FM radio, and a clock. This is a serious build, and the seller says more details, videos, and photos are available. 1965 Ford Mustang V8 Automatic, priced at $23,900, located in Deltona. This car is in excellent condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a coupe body style. The odometer shows 85,252 miles, and the car comes in red. This 1965 Mustang is powered by a 289 V8 with a C4 automatic transmission. It is rust-free, has new show-quality paint, new tires, and mag wheels. The car needs nothing and is ready for the shows. The title is in the seller's name. 1963.5 Mercury Comet S22 convertible with 289 and C4, priced at $30,000, located in Mount Dora. This car is in excellent condition with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a red exterior. The odometer shows 11,000 miles. This is one of only 5,757 Mercury Comet convertibles made. It has been modified with a 1964 289 V8 and a 1964 C4 automatic transmission. The engine and transmission have 11,000 miles on a complete rebuild, while chassis mileage is unknown. It also has power steering, power brakes, a power gen alternator, and an NOS interior. Many parts have been replaced over the last 19 years. Since 2007, the suspension, interior, exhaust, fuel tank, convertible top, dash gauges, aluminum radiator, carburetor setup, intake, valve covers, air cleaner, and tires have all been updated. Almost all parts have been re-chromed, and the car also includes extra used rear quarters, doors, and front fenders if wanted. The car runs strong, and all mechanical work was done by the owner. 1966 Ford Mustang V8 Coupe, priced at $19,900, located in Deltona. This car is in excellent condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a white exterior. The odometer shows 85,200 miles. This 1966 Mustang comes with a 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It also has fog lights, exhaust through the valance, mag wheels with new tires, and a pony interior that looks like new. The car runs great, has no issues, and has no rust. 1958 Chevy Impala sedan, priced at $60,000, located in Hortonville, Wisconsin. This car is in like-new condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, a manual transmission, a clean title, and a blue exterior. The odometer shows 71,000 miles. It is powered by a 348 engine with tri-carbs and 315 horsepower. It also has a factory 4-speed manual transmission, a California car history, and the original bill of sale. Additional features include electric doors, trunk poppers, and a tube grille. The car is in beautiful condition, with no rust or defects. The seller is asking $60,000 or best offer. and will consider a trade for a 1949 to 1951 custom Mercury. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu Super Sport Hot Rod Classic, priced at $48,000, located in Orange Park. This car is in excellent condition, with 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, a gas engine, a manual transmission, a clean title, and a coupe body style. The odometer shows 7,000 miles, and the car comes in red. This is the true first-year 1964 Chevrolet Super Sport Resto Mod. It was originally built as a rare L6-powered Super Sport coupe, with only 8,224 units built. The car has been verified by General Motors and the Florida Department of Motor Vehicles. It underwent a frame-off restoration in 2009 and now features a 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, bored 30 thousandths over for a total of 406 cubic inches. It uses a full mechanical solid lifter roller setup and was built for racing. Other upgrades include MSD HEI ignition, Moroso cap and wires, Edelbrock Victor intake, Holley 750 cubic feet per minute 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum HP Motown heads, Muncie 4-speed, 355 posi rear end, power steering, power brakes with front disc brakes, newly installed vintage air AC, custom vintage style radio with USB player, oversized aluminum radiator, electric and mechanical cooling fans, chromed engine accessories, oversized headman headers, Flowmaster dual exhaust, and a Hurst shifter. The interior and exterior remain close to stock, with custom floor mats, a faux wood grain center console, a floor-mounted fire extinguisher, a new fuel tank, air shocks, rebuilt front bucket seats, and a tachometer with dual shift light. It sits on 18-inch Riddler chrome custom wheels with BF Goodrich G-Force Comp 2 AS tires. The body is laser straight. The chrome and stainless are in excellent shape, and the panel fit is outstanding. It includes build and restoration photos, some documentation, and a clean Florida title. The recent 2025 appraised value was $53,000. 1968 Pontiac Bonneville convertible, priced at $29,000. The location was not listed in the original ad. This car is in good condition with 8 cylinders, gas fuel, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and a convertible body style. The odometer shows 92,000 miles. This 1968 Pontiac Bonneville convertible comes with a rebuilt 428 engine that produces 375 horsepower. It is in good shape and finished in white inside and out. It also has power steering, power brakes, and power windows. According to NADA, the average price is $33,720, while the high retail value is $58,320. 1977 Chrysler Cordoba, priced at $18,000, located in Harrisburg, Illinois. This car has gas fuel, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and 13,000 actual miles. My vintage 1977 Chrysler Cordoba has original 13,000 miles and was sold new in our area. It still wears 98% original paint, along with 100% original upholstery and carpet in very nice condition. It is powered by a 400 engine with an automatic transmission. The lean burn system computer has been disabled and electronic ignition has been installed. It also has cold air conditioning converted to the new refrigerant. All fluids have been changed, new spark plugs were installed, and the drive line seals that showed seepage have been replaced. New windshield wipers and several other needed items have also been taken care of. All of the work was done by Troy Angeli Restorations of El Dorado, Illinois, a Mopar muscle car specialist. The car is currently on display in his showroom. This Chrysler Cordoba deserves a place in someone's personal collection. 1963 Mercury Monterey Breezeway convertible, located in Orlando, priced at $29,500. This car has gas fuel, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and 60,289 miles on the odometer. This is a very rare 1963 Mercury Monterey Breezeway convertible, and it is believed to have 100% original paint. It also has its original interior and a 390 cubic inch 6.4-liter V8 with automatic transmission. It has recently received a full tune-up. The car got a new oil and filter change, a new carburetor gasket, new spark plugs, a new valve cover gasket, a new alternator belt, a new fuel hose, a new power steering control unit, a new power steering hose, and a new power steering pump. New tires and an alignment were also done. The car has California plates with current tags. Finding another 1963 Mercury this original for sale would be very difficult. The asking price is $33,500, and this one is a true rare classic.